The future of transportation is autonomous. With the advancement of self-driving technology, autonomous vehicles, AVs, are poised to revolutionize the way we travel by 2025. These vehicles are set to transform commuting, safety, and even city infrastructure as they become smarter, more efficient, and safer than traditional vehicles. In this video, we will explore how autonomous vehicles are changing the landscape of transportation, the technologies behind them, and what we can expect in 2025 from this groundbreaking industry. An autonomous vehicle, AV, is a car or truck that is capable of operating without human intervention. Through the use of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms, autonomous cars can navigate their environment, detect obstacles, and make decisions much like a human driver. The levels of autonomy range from Level 1, driver assistance, to Level 5, full autonomy, where Level 5 represents a vehicle that requires no human input at all. In 2025, Level 4 and Level 5 vehicles will become more common on the roads. These cars will be fully autonomous in specific environments like urban settings and highways, offering a new era in convenience and safety. Autonomous vehicles rely on a range of technologies that allow them to safely navigate the roads. Some of the key technologies include LiDAR, light detection and ranging. This sensor uses laser pulses to create detailed 3D maps of the environment, helping the vehicle see obstacles and understand its surroundings. Radar. Radar sensors are used to detect objects in the vehicle's vicinity, helping it navigate safely even in low visibility conditions. Cameras. High-definition cameras monitor the car's surroundings, including lane markings, traffic signs, and pedestrians. AI and machine learning. Autonomous vehicles use advanced algorithms to process data from sensors, make decisions, and learn from past experiences to improve their driving capabilities. By 2025, these technologies will become even more advanced, providing a seamless driving experience that's both safe and efficient. With AI learning from vast amounts of data, autonomous vehicles will be able to predict potential hazards and navigate complex traffic situations with ease. In 2025, self-driving cars will make commuting faster, safer, and more efficient. Here's how. Reduced traffic congestion. Autonomous vehicles will be able to communicate with one another and adjust their speeds and routes in real time, minimizing traffic jams. Faster travel times. With optimized driving patterns, autonomous vehicles will follow shorter routes, reduce stop-and-go driving, and improve fuel efficiency. Less stress. Drivers will be able to relax or work during their commute, as they won't need to focus on driving. This could lead to a more productive and stress-free daily experience. Autonomous vehicles will eliminate much of the frustration of driving, such as navigating traffic, finding parking, and dealing with road rage. Instead, they will transform your commute into valuable time for relaxation or work. One of the most exciting benefits of autonomous vehicles is their potential to significantly reduce accidents. In fact, 98% of traffic accidents are caused by human error, and AVs aim to eliminate this factor. Here's how they will improve safety. Faster reaction times. Autonomous vehicles can process information much faster than humans, allowing them to react instantly to hazards. Reduced risk of impairment. Unlike human drivers, autonomous vehicles are immune to fatigue, distractions, and impairment caused by alcohol or drugs. Advanced collision avoidance. With 360-degree sensors, autonomous vehicles can avoid collisions, detect pedestrians, and make quick adjustments to avoid accidents. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, the roads will become safer with fewer accidents, fatalities, and injuries. The technology behind these cars is designed to protect lives and prevent accidents caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles will not only improve safety and efficiency, but they will also contribute to a greener future. Here's how. Reduced carbon emissions. Autonomous vehicles will be designed to run on electric power, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving air quality. Optimized routes. Self-driving cars will use AI algorithms to find the quickest and most fuel-efficient routes, reducing energy consumption and minimizing fuel waste. Carpooling and shared mobility. With autonomous ride-sharing services, fewer cars will be on the road, leading to less congestion and reduced pollution. As more autonomous electric vehicles, EVs, hit the roads in 2025, cities will see a reduction in both air pollution and traffic congestion, contributing to a sustainable and cleaner future. As autonomous vehicles become more common, they will require new infrastructure and changes to urban planning. Smart cities. Cities will implement smart infrastructure to communicate with autonomous vehicles. For example, smart traffic lights that adjust based on the car's location and speed, autonomous charging stations. As more electric autonomous cars hit the road, there will be an increased need for autonomous charging stations that can recognize vehicles and automatically charge them. Redesigning roads. Roads and highways may need to be redesigned to accommodate the needs of autonomous vehicles, including dedicated lanes or vehicle-to-vehicle communication networks. By 2025, we can expect to see more cities invest in smart technologies that will optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and create a more efficient transportation network for autonomous vehicles. The rise of autonomous vehicles will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the job market. While many jobs in transportation and logistics may be replaced, new industries will emerge. Autonomous vehicle maintenance. As the technology becomes more complex, there will be a greater demand for skilled technicians to repair and maintain self-driving cars. Data and AI specialists. With self-driving cars generating huge amounts of data, there will be a need for AI engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. Autonomous rideshare drivers. Companies like Waymo and Uber may offer autonomous ride-sharing services, creating jobs in fleet management, customer service, and more. While autonomous vehicles may disrupt some jobs, they will also create new opportunities in fields like AI development, vehicle design, and cybersecurity. While autonomous vehicles offer tremendous promise, there are still several challenges to overcome. Regulatory challenges. Governments will need to update laws and regulations to allow for widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles, including rules for liability and insurance. Public acceptance. Many people may still be skeptical about giving up control of their vehicles, and public perception of autonomous technology will play a significant role in its success. Safety concerns. While AVs promise to reduce accidents, there are still concerns about how they will handle complex situations, such as unpredictable human drivers or severe weather conditions. As the technology evolves, there will need to be collaborative efforts from governments, companies, and the public to ensure a smooth transition to a world with autonomous vehicles. In conclusion, autonomous vehicles are set to transform transportation by 2025. With advanced technologies driving efficiency, safety, and sustainability, the future of self-driving cars looks incredibly promising. Title: Hash. The is sweeping across the automotive industry, and one of the most exciting developments is the rise of. These vehicles are not just a solution for eco-conscious consumers, they are, and in the world of trucks. By 2025 will be more powerful, more rugged, and more capable than ever before, transforming everything from two. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into their impressive features and how they're poised to revolutionize both the and 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2,000 pounds. The is the electric version of America's most popular truck, and it doesn't disappoint. And the Lightning is perfect for anyone who needs a that also offers, and whether you're hauling heavy loads for work or cruising around on the weekend, this truck delivers the best of both worlds. 835 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive, 314 miles on a full charge, 11,000 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3,500 pounds. The is arguably the most futuristic electric pickup on the market with this truck is as powerful as it is eye-catching. It's perfect for people who need a that also doubles as a. Whether you're hauling construction materials or just enjoying a weekend of adventure, the Cybertruck is built to handle it all. 1,000 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive, 350 miles on a full charge, 11,500 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1,200 pounds. The combines with a range that will easily take you on long trips without worrying about charging. The Silverado EV is an ideal choice for those who want to work and play without compromising on performance or sustainability. Plus, it's the perfect family truck as well. 600 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive, 250 miles on a full charge, 8,000 pounds. As electric pickup trucks become more popular, they are making a significant impact on the environment. Here's how they help promote sustainability. Electric powertrains are inherently more than internal combustion engines, meaning they require to achieve the same level of performance. By choosing electric pickups, consumers and businesses alike can contribute to, and many electric trucks will have on a full charge, allowing for longer trips and more. Expect more, and to enhance the driving experience. The future of electric pickups is offering and making them a smart choice for the modern consumer. The next time you're thinking about a pickup, consider going electric. With the ability to do everything a gas-powered truck can do and more, electric pickups are leading the way to a.hl. As cities adapt and new regulations are put into place, we can expect to see a major shift in how we drive, commute, and interact with our vehicles. The road to a fully autonomous future is full of challenges, but with the right innovation, we can expect to see a world that is safer, smarter, and more sustainable.